Hi, it's Heather and welcome to this tutorial all on downward facing dog, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana. A great posture for opening up the shoulders and really stretching through the hamstrings, through the back of the legs. So, designed to be a resting posture. However, it may or may not be for you. It might feel more like an upper body workout sometimes, but let's actually get started today in a tabletop position. So coming to all fours, bringing shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, and automatically let's spread through the fingertips. Good foundation first, right? So we want to make sure that our pointer and middle fingers are pointing more towards the top of the mat. You want an open rotation in the shoulders. So you want to make sure that your pointer fingers aren't coming in towards one another, that they're facing upwards. And if you have maybe like a broader chest or even a tighter chest, know that you can always take your hands wider than shoulders width and just take them a few inches wider. That's okay too. So wherever you're at, curl those back toes under, lift up the hips, lift up the knees. And from here, send your chest towards your thighs. And keep a nice, generous bend in the knees. So if you need to, the whole goal is to find some length in the spine. So you can notice that maybe if I'm a little more forward, I'm not sending my chest towards my thighs. I'm not finding as much length. So finding a nice straight line as much as is accessible for you is perfect. And then slowly sending the heels towards the mat. So heels do not need to touch the mat. It's totally okay to keep the heels lifted the whole time. If you'd like to send them to the mat, you can, or send them downward, as long as you're not losing integrity in the spine again. So aiming to send our ears in line with biceps. And you can even pedal it out by lifting through one heel and then the other. And then if you'd like to, I'm just going to come down here by dropping my knees. Another option is you can take blocks to bring the ground even more to you. Find some more lift, some more length. Take them where your hand placement would be, probably to the lowest height, and then curl the back toes under and send it up. And doing the same thing. Great. So coming back down, another good option for downward facing dog is that if that posture is just too much for you, you want to find something that is even more accessible, you can start from this tabletop position and take a puppy pose instead. So bringing both hands forward, just inching them a few inches forward from tabletop, and then sending the hips back so that they come over the knees. And then sending the chest towards the thighs, toward the ground, but keeping the arms lifted. This is a great variation to take, and it still gives you those amazing shoulder opening benefits. To come back up, always try to come back on an inhale. It just helps you not get that lightheadedness. If you ever find that you are out of breath, please take a break, just come back down, take a child's pose. I have a tutorial on that as well. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Other than that, have a good one. I'll see you in the next one, and namaste.